Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we will continue the short vowel I sound, which is I sound, and today's family is going to be ig family, which is ig, produced by I and G. Let's begin. Ig family. The first word that we have is big. B sound produced by alphabet B. I sound produced by alphabet I, and then G, G, big. The next one that we have is dig. D sound produced by alphabet D, I sound produced by alphabet I, and then G sound, dig. The next one that we have is gig. G, starting with G, ending with G. Gig is performance. Any performance by someone is called a gig. G, I, G. Fig. F sound produced by alphabet F. I sound produced by alphabet I, and G sound produced by alphabet G. Fig. Fig is a fruit. We all know this one. Pig. P sound produced by alphabet P. I sound produced by alphabet I becomes P, I, P. And then G, ending with G. Pig. And the next one is zig. Zig is a sharp turn. Zig, z sound produced by alphabet Z. Then I sound by I and ending with a G. Zig. So, big, dig, gig, fig, pig, and zig. Let's move on to our sight words. The first one that we have today is said. Said. Now this part does not produce a sound of a. It does not produce a sound, long vowel sound of a, which is a. It does not produce a sound. So this one is little tricky. It produces a sound of short vowel e. S, e, d, said. He said to me. So when you're reading short stories, you'll come across this word very often. So you need to remember this is said, not sad, not said. This is said. So we have short vowel E sound here, and this is said. The next one is there. The sound produced by T and H. There, ending with the E. So, first one is said, the next one is there. He, sight word, said, sight word, Now, when we say something exactly which is said by somebody, we put a comma and then the words that are being said are put in quotation. So the ones that we start with, now the first word that we're starting with is thank, and it's always beginning with our quotation marks. Again, when you finish whatever has been said, they end in a quotation mark. You don't need to remember, but you know the meaning of these marks now. So he said, what did he say? He said, thank you. Th sound produced by th. Again, this one is new. Th also produces sound of th, the, and th. So he said, th, a, n, thank. Sight word, thank you. He said, thank you. We're going to use ig words in the sentence. The sight word, pig, p-ig, pig, did, short vowel I sound in I. The pig did, d-id, did, a gig. The pig did a gig. I hope today's lesson was clear, and we'll move on to more short vowel I families in the next lesson, some sight words, and then simple easy sentences. Hope to see you soon. Bye.